Hey guys, welcome to Designer Savvy's gluten-free chocolate fruit cup dessert edition. I hope you will enjoy today's recipe. It is fantastic, it's delicious, and it's even healthy. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. This recipe is simple, easy to make, it's gluten-free, and it has chocolate in it. What more could you want? The foundation of this dessert is the chocolate, and I use chocolate almond bark that I get either from Walmart or Kroger. I'm sure you could get it from whatever your local grocery store is. I've learned that the double boiler method works best when melting this chocolate. I used to melt it in the microwave, but half the time it ended up burning. I use just enough chocolate to barely coat the inside of that paper baking cup, leaving just about 1/4 of an inch from the top of the cup. The next step is to put the baking cups in the freezer. You want the chocolate to completely harden, and the good thing about this is it takes no longer than 10 minutes, 15 at the most, and it all depends on how quickly your freezer does the job. And you can be preparing your fruit or whatever ingredients you want to go in these baking cups while it's in the freezer, and then you take them back out and it's time to fill the cups. Disclaimer, I did use Smucker's caramel topping, which is not gluten-free because I'm only gluten sensitive. However, Coronado caramel topping that's gluten-free would be a better option for those of you with celiac. The Coronado caramel topping can be found at your local Walmart store. Comment below and let us know which gluten-free caramel toppings you have tried that you love. Also, for those of you who are not a fan of caramel, leave a comment below and let us know which topping you would add first. Next, I'm adding pecans, but you could add whichever nut is your favorite. Guys, I have found my new favorite double stuffed Oreo cookie imposter. These are from Simple Truth. They are amazing. They're not technically called double stuffed, but they actually had enough filling in them just like a double stuffed Oreo, and I actually love them so much better than an Oreo. It doesn't matter if you eat them whole, if you take them apart, or if you crumble them. They are still delicious. Now it's time to add the fourth topping, which is the fruit. And I wanted it to be colorful, and I added some of my favorite fruits, and that is blueberries, pineapple, raspberries, kiwi, and strawberries. If you wanted, you could even add more color with some mandarin oranges. Pomegranate seeds would even look amazing in this, and I absolutely love them. Apples would even be good to add. Do you know how to keep apples from turning brown? You just add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm finishing my first fruit cup with a drizzle of caramel. You could also sprinkle with cinnamon, brown sugar, or drizzle with honey or hard-shell chocolate. Well, guys, I started off on the right foot and with proper etiquette by using a spoon, and then as you can see, I've now switched to my hands. Rest assured, I have probably the cleanest hands of anybody you've ever seen in your life. However, when cooking and preparing food for others, it's good practice to use disposable gloves or at least use a spoon or a fork when handling the food. I also give my fruits and vegetables a vinegar and water bath soak to kill bacteria. Next, I'm showing you what the chocolate cups look like with the paper wrapper removed. And they're quite cute. They almost look like little flower petals, and they would be pretty plated just like this without the wrappers. The wrappers just make it a little less messy, which makes it great for kids. These little desserts would be great for Easter. They would be great for spring and summer outdoor entertaining. They would be great for kids' birthday parties, for church functions, for bridal showers and baby showers. They'd be great for a brunch or for an office party, or just for you and your family at home. To step it up a notch, you could even add a beautiful charcuterie tray using your leftover fruit, and you could add nuts and cheeses and meats, and it would be great for a party. Now for a quick recap, melt your chocolate in a double boiler, fill the paper baking cups with the chocolate, place the chocolate-filled cups in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes, fill them with the nuts and toppings of your choice, refrigerate or freeze until ready to use, or plate on a beautiful serving dish and enjoy immediately. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending time with me today. I'm so glad you're here. Want more gluten-free recipes? Please leave a comment and check out the linked video.